Hello! Здравствуйте! Welcome to my channel! Добро пожаловать на мой канал! I'm Oksana. Я Оксана. Today we will talk about partitive genitive case. Сегодня мы поговорим о родительном падеже. This video is a short introduction to the partitive genitive, and I'm not going to really be expecting you to use it, but just to be aware and understand if you see it. Look at the examples. Дайте мне торт, пожалуйста. Или дайте мне торта, пожалуйста. Дайте мне хлеб, пожалуйста. Или дайте мне хлеба, пожалуйста. Хочешь воды? Итак, so, the genitive is used to denote the part of a substance or liquid. Например, он выпил молока. He drank some milk. Or to denote a quantity of objects. Он поел ягод. He ate some berries. The accusative case denotes whole rather than part. Let's compare. Он выпил молоко. Он поел ягоды. That's the difference. Then the partitive genitive appears only as the object of a verb, never as a subject. Пример. Она налила гостям вина. She poured her guests some wine. И, and, на столе есть вино. There is some wine on the table. Then, except for construction with the verbs such as хотеть, захотеть, to want, и просить, попросить, to request, where either aspect may be used. Хочу воды. I want some water. Он просит меда. He asks for some honey. Most partitive constructions involve perfective verbs only. Она принесла дров. She brought some firewood. The verb нести, принести. Принести, perfective form of this verb. So, она принесла дров. With the many imperfectives, the partitive genitive case is never used. Let's see. Он выпил воды. He drank some water. But он пил воду. He was drinking some water. In the first sentence, воды, ending «и». In the second sentence, воду, ending «у». Он съел хлеба. He ate some bread. Хлеба, ending «а», but он ел хлеб, zero ending. He was eating some bread. So, the verbs есть, съесть. Есть imperfective form, съесть perfective. Пить, выпить. Пить imperfective form, выпить perfective form. Some perfective with the quantitative prefix на also take the partitive genitive. Prefix на. Пример. Наесться ягод. To eat one's fill of berries. Накупить книг. To buy some books. Нарвать цветов. To pick some flowers. Нарубить дров. To chop some wood. Containers and quantitative words also appear in partitive constructions. Ложка меда. A spoon of honey. Let's see examples of partitive genitives. Гриша привез по ее просьбе овощей. Гриша, man's name, brought some vegetables at her request. Vegetables, овощей, ending ей. налила ребятам молока. She poured the kids some milk. Молока. Денег на дорогу пришлю. I'll send some money for the journey. Some masculine nouns, mainly those which denote substances, have genitives in а, я and in у, ю. Пример. Сахар, sugar, сахара или сахару. Чай, tea, чая или чаю. Other nouns with the two genitives forms include бензин, petrol, виноград, grapes, горох, peas, кипяток, boiling water, коньяк, brandy, лук, onions, мед, honey, мел, chalk, песок, sand, сыр, cheese, суп, soup, табак, tobacco, творог, cottage cheese, шелк, silk, and so on. Genitive endings у, ю appears only in partitive constructions. Налить чаю, to pour some tea. Тарелка супу, a plate of soup. Бабушка послала Вовку пощипать луку. Grandma sent Вовка to pick some onions. Утром она взяла кипятку. In the morning she took some boiling water. One more. Достал бутылку коньяку. He got out a bottle of brandy. Let's continue. If quantity is not implied, а, я endings are used. Запах и цвет табака. The smell and color of tobacco. Производство сыра. The production of cheese. Цена чая. The price of tea. Please note that ая ending are also used if the noun denoting the substance or liquid is qualified by an adjective. Пример. Стакан крепкого чая. A glass of strong tea. Стакан крепкого, adjective, чая, ending я. So, the use of partitive genitive in у, ю is decreasing, and а, я are now possible in all meanings and styles. Чашка чаю, чашка чая, a cup of tea. With the commonest nouns like sugar, сахар, tea, чай, most likely to be found with the genitive in у, ю. However, even such nouns in partitive in а, я is usually acceptable. Пример. Стою в очереди в кассу и прикидываю. Килограмм сахара. Пачка чая. I stand in the line to the cash desk and calculate a kilogram of sugar, a packet of tea, and so on. Go further. Genitive endings у, ю is most consistently found in unstressed diminutives forms. Сварить кофейку, from кофеек, to boil some coffee. Хочешь чайку, from чаек, would you like some tea? Others include коньячку, from коньячок, коньяк, brandy, лучку, from лук, лучок, сырку, сырок, from сырок, cheese. Табачку from табак, табачок. Partitive constructions involving perfective forms of the verbs and genitive in ую, they are very common. Пример. Добавить сахару, to add some sugar. Заварить чаю, to make some tea. Поесть супу, to eat some soup. Положить чесноку, to put in some garlic. Endings ую are also found with the word нет, with indefinite numerals and with the measures, containers. Пример. Килограмм винограду, a kilo of grapes. Нет коньяку, there is no brandy. Много народу, many people. Пачка сахару, a packet of sugar. Кусок сыру, a piece of cheese. And endings ая are also possible in such cases. Осталось лишь полпачки чая. Only half a packet of tea remained. Please notice that we use the partitive genitive case when we are referring to a part of something or some of something rather than the whole thing. So, for example, дайте мне хлеб sounds like you would like someone to give you a whole loaf of bread, whereas дайте мне хлеба sounds like you would like just a piece of some of the bread. Хотите чая? Хотите чайку? Sometimes you will hear people asking you this. Would you like some tea? And some words including чай have a special part of genitive ending, that's у or you, like чаю, чайку, сахару. What else? Луку, меду, рису, сыру. And there are others. So let's sum up. If you ever hear those forms, then be aware that this is what is probably referring to asking someone if they want some of something or saying that you want some of something rather than like a whole package. That's it for now. На этом все. See you in the next video. Увидимся в следующем видео. Check description box. Here are some exercises. You can do it and leave your comments. I'll check it out. Спасибо. Пока.